Oh my gosh. What do I do?
If it's gonna come out anywhere, it's gonna come out the back.
Give me a minute.